So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. We have Prem Lata. She is 65 and she's from Chennai, and we have the angel coach Raksha with us. So, this is not an ordinary interview because the world believes once you're on medication, you have to be on medication for lifetime. Go Nature has more than 45 students who are out of their medication. We have recorded more than 2,000 testimonials on such. And today we have one more amazing testimonial to share with you guys. We have Prem Lata. She's 65 from Chennai, and listen what the problem she was having. So she was having thyroid, hypothyroid from 10 years. She was taking continuous medicines, right? L-Troxin 75 mcg, which has been completely gone in 3 months. No medication at all. She was having arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis from 3 years, completely reversed. She was having hypertension from 1 year. Medicine was going on continuously, Telma 40 mg, which in the first 30 days, BP medication were gone, right? And then the fourth problem she had was alopecia areata. It's an autoimmune disorder in which the scalp becomes bald. There is no hair. And in 6 months, she stopped all her medicines. And the medicine she was taking for alopecia was Gandhaga Rasayanam. And the good thing is that the part where the hair was gone, it is the hair are coming back. She was also taking cholesterol medicine from 6 months, 2 medicines, right? Navaka Gugulu and Kari Salai, right? And it was completely gone within 1 month. Cholesterol medicines were gone. And from 1 year, she was also having hormonal imbalance. So those who believe medication is for lifetime, I think you need to rethink that. You need to think a lot of natural alternatives like naturopathy. So let's come to Prem Lata. Prem Lata, if you can just unmute yourself, right? Yeah, there's a switch on if you can just unmute yourself and share how has been your journey. Hi Prem Lata, how are you?
Hello Vishal sir. Hi madam, Raksha ma'am. Yeah, good evening everybody. I'm really glad to attend this program. Actually, I was taking tablets for, there is one small correction. I am currently running 60 years of age.
I'm sorry.
I was born in 65. So I was taking tablets for thyroid, BP and cholesterol, alopecia, and I was taking Siddha treatment for everything. So this was going on continuously. Then I thought each and every day I'm increasing the number of tablets. It so happens. So I should find something alternative where I can that I should lead a life without any tablets. I was searching. That is when I saw the ad through Facebook, ad given by Vishal sir. So thanks to the universe first. Then in the first place, after joining this, I attended the 2 days webinar. Then I took that silver membership. Then again, I joined the gold pro membership. Then that is how I joined the thing.
Amazing.
Course.
So how do you feel once your medication are gone completely, which the world says has to be for lifetime? How it feels? It's a very surreal feeling. Yeah,
it's really wonderful because leading a life without any tablets itself is a big achievement. No,
right.
It gives a lot of sense of happiness. Then actually, I was having the very first day I saw the first difference I saw was I was having some sleeping disorder also. So that time when I started using that grounding mat, the very first day I was able to sleep continuously for 8 hours. From 10 o'clock to morning 6 o'clock. So I was feeling very fresh the next day morning. When I got up, that was after so many years, I was able to sleep continuously. So it gave me a lot of confidence. So there is something which I got, this I should follow at any cost. So that without any deviation from the course, I should follow it continuously so that the results will be better.
Wow.
So that gave me so much of confidence. And
tell me something. Yeah.
And the other second thing, the difference which I noted was I used to have lack of appetite, but this got improved. That is another improvement I saw. And regarding arthritis and all, every day morning, when I used to get up, I used to have stiff. The joints will be a pain in the elbows. I used to have trigger finger. All those problems was there. After undergoing that treatment, and especially the bone cleansing has been done. So now I don't feel any stiffness at all. I'm able to move very freely. See, Previously I never used to I used to, this finger will never get released. So all these problems got completely cured with by following the naturopathy. And
Amazing.
another thing, no, now I don't take any tablets at all. That is one thing. And thyroid also, I've stopped taking. Previously, when I used to stop take the thyroid tablets, I used to have the problem of constipation. But now
Right.
that even though I have stopped taking tablets for thyroid, this constipation doesn't have. I don't have that constipation problem at all. And
Wow.
I follow whatever therapy which madam suggested me. No, up to the maximum possible extent, I followed it. I tried to follow everything. So throughout the day, I do power breathing every day. I feel very energetic by doing power breathing. I was used to do I can notice the difference in the feeling. So
Wow.
previously I used to be a little bit lethargic. I used to take some short nap or something like that. But nowadays, throughout the day, I feel somewhat energetic. I do Ashwini Mudra. I do walking every day morning. I do walking for 40 minutes
That's
almost.
beautiful.
And then I used to gaze the sun during sunset and sunrise, that weekly thrice or twice. So that is how when doing some certain modifications, slight modifications in the natural day-to-day lifestyle, so we can get so many advantages without any additional cost. Like these are all some simple aspects what we are following through naturopathy. With
Beautiful.
this, the benefits are immense. That is the wonderful aspect of naturopathy.
Okay, tell me something about how your journey was, Raksha. How Raksha was in this entire
Yeah,
journey.
yes, I am really thankful, Vishal sir. I am really, she was always be very caring, very smiling, and whatever doubts, questions I asked, no, that I used to get response very immediately. That is really wonderful.
Amazing, beautiful. So let's come to your NJ coach, Raksha. Raksha, over to you. How has been your journey with Prem Lata? Over to you, Raksha.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Vishal sir. Good evening, Prem Lata.
Good evening, ma'am.
Thank you, Prem Lata, for these kind words. Thank you, Vishal sir, for this opportunity. So basically, Prem Lata, the basic problem that she was having were the arthritis symptoms, because of which she was having the energy, sleep, appetite problems as well, along with thyroid. She has been followed everything completely, and in the first month itself, she saw very good difference. That's why
Yeah.
we were able to taper the medications of blood pressure and cholesterol. The main problem, the major difference, what we also saw is the unwanted hair. Whenever there is hormonal imbalance, usually people have unwanted hair on few areas of the body. So that was subsided. That was one of the greatest improvement. And also she used to say that, ma'am, I'm not able to wear earrings. There is a lot of itching in her earlobes. That also subsided as well. She has
Beautiful.
a mother at home, and she's taking care of her. Her health was also up and down in between, but yes, she did not freeze the plan in between at all. Not at all, even a single day. She followed everything. That's the best part of it. That's
Beautiful.
what it is. And Premalata, thank you so much for coming on to this Hall of Fame. Thank you so much, Vishal sir.
Thank you so much, Raksha. Thank you so much, Prem Lata. Yeah, people like you come and share their experience. Otherwise, the world will never believe that there's a life without allopathy medicines. Thank you so much. More power to you. And the journey has just started, I would say.
Yeah, thank you for
Amazing.
this wonderful journey.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so everybody just type MPTY for Raksha and Prem Lata in the chat box. Here in front of you, a life case study. People do come out of their lifestyle diseases. People do come out of their allopathy medicines. You need to understand your body. And for that, coaches like Raksha can be magicians in your life. Amazing. Thank you so much.